Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In the previous video we have seen how to set up the Mosquitto Mqtt Broker on Windows. Now today we are going to see how to set the username and password for the Mqtt Broker so that the client will have to provide the username and password to get connected with the Mosquitto Mqtt Broker. So there are two methods to create the username and password. In the first method we are going to create the password file. So open the notepad, add the username and password in this file. I am going to write the username as ABC and password as 1234. I am going to enter another username, that is DEF, and password is 5678. Save this file in the same folder where the Mosquitto Mqtt Broker related files are stored. Give the name as password1 and save it as text file. Now close this file. So let us go to the command prompt. Here we are going to encrypt the password given in the password file. In order to encrypt the password given in the password file, we need to run the following command in the command prompt. The command is mosquito _password dash capital U and specify the password file name, that is password1.txt. Now run this command. Now let us open the password1.txt file. Now you can see the passwords are encrypted. Next thing which we have to do is to enter the path in the configuration file, that is test.config file, which we created during the last video. So open this file. Now we see here allow_anonymous value is set as true. We need to set it as false now, so that clients will have to provide the user credential before getting connected with Mqtt Broker. Now we are going to enter the password file path over here by using the command password_file, and path for me is Mosquitto Broker. File name is password1.txt. Now let us save this configuration file. This test.config file is saved into the same folder where the Mqtt Broker related files are stored. Now we are going to run the Mosquitto Mqtt Broker. Write the command mosquito -v-c, write the config file name, that is test.config, and run the command. Click here on allow access. So Mosquitto Broker is running now. Now let us test the broker. We are going to publish some message using the publish command, and we are going to provide username and password over there. So this is the command for publishing the message from the client side. We will run this command straight away. Now you can see the connection was refused because this was not the authorized connection. You can see this message over here and over here as well. Now we are going to run the command again by providing the username and password. Specify the username as ABC. Specify the password as 1234. -U is used for specifying the username and capital P is used for specifying the password. Now run this command. Now you can see connection has been established with the broker and message has been successfully delivered. Now we will see the subscriber part. We will run this command mosquito_sub, and we are going to specify the username and password over here as well. Username is ABC and password is 1234. Run this command. This client has received the message published, and message is message from P1. So now we are going to try another username and password. Use this command mosquito_pub again. Specify the username as DEF and password as 5678. 5678. We will run this command. Now you can see the message has been published successfully with the authorized connection. We will do same thing with the subscribe command over here. Enter the username as def and password as 5678. Run this command. Again we have received the message from the other client. This was all about the method 1. Now we are going to see the method 2. So in method 2 we are going to use the command mosquito underscore password -c. Specify the password file name. We are going to specify it as password 2. We'll have to specify the username over here. So I'm going to set username as uvw and run this command. So now you can see this utility is asking us for entering the password. So I'm going to enter the password as ABCD. Press enter. Enter the password again, ABCD. Be careful while entering the password because the password is not getting echoed. We will add another user over here in the same file by using this command mosquito underscore password -b password file name, and this time I am going to enter the username as XYZ and password as EFGH and run this command. Now we will open this password2.txt. Now this is that file, password2. You can see here the passwords are encrypted for the respective usernames. Close this file. Open the test.config file and specify the path for the password file. That is the second password file, that is password2. Save the config file. Now we are going to run the broker again with the new configuration. Use this command, that is mosquito-v-c, and name of the configuration file, that is test.configuration. Run this command. Now the MQTT broker has started successfully. Now we will test it again with the publish command, and now we are going to enter the username as uvw as the username and password is ABCD. Run this command. So now connection has been established successfully and the message has been delivered successfully. Let us try it with the subscriber client. So here we are going to try the username uvw and password as ABCD. Run this command. So now we have successfully received the message from the other client. So we are going to try it with the another password and the username. Same thing we are going to do with the subscriber client. We will change the message slightly. We are going to make it P2. We will run this command, that is mosquito_pub. So connection has been refused because I have entered the wrong password. Just delete the 2 from here and run the command again. So connection has been established successfully and it is the authorized connection. Let us run the subscription command or the subscriber command. Now you can see we have received the message from P2. So in this video we have seen how to set the username and password for the MQTT Mosquito Broker by using the 2 methods. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button. Please share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again and have a good time.